All right, first off, this is Dark Dave Shop. Thank you guys for coming. I'm at Old Glory today, and I'm talking to Tells because the Trike light is going in for its 30,000 mile service. So what all do I need to do?
I have to check you in and get you signed off on, and you are a Rummel from your maintenance customer. We are honoring your contract for.
Cool.
Let's get you checked in.
Alrighty. Now the reason I'm going to Old Glory, if you guys have been watching my channel, you know that Rama Annapolis is closed, and we are now going to be... So Tells is taking us out. She's going to do a quick inspection of the Tri-Glide. Well, welcome to Dark Dave's shop. We have got two-tone.
Two-tone.
We've got
Mark.
Mark, doesn't have a nickname. And we have
Elvin.
Also known as the Elf. Why? Because he is that magical.
That's what the translation is too.
Now, I kind of did something crazy today. I don't know if you noticed. I've got a new bike. It's basically reverse colors, but instead of having a bike with 30,000 miles that's 2 years old, I have a bike that's brand new with 7 miles. I don't know if my wife's happy or not. She kind of kept giving me this look, but I will pay for it later. I'm not worried about it, but I'm happy.
That's all that matters.
So what do you think, Two-Tone? Did I do good?
Yeah, she did amazing. Of course.
Oh, by the way, the trade-in, that bike's paid off. So it's what's known as a zero-sum gain, aka I'm not spending any more, spending any less. It all worked out in the flush. I'm hoping that the rest of this video turns out pretty good. It will start with me bringing that bike in for its 30,000 mile service. But let's get back to the fun.